Everyone, welcome back. So team, before we go further into day 13 and so on, where we discuss a few more topics that we left around here, I want to give you a Java project. I want you all to work on this independently to begin with. And once we've made some progress, I will see if we can move you into a team to do it. Take this as a simple Java project to do something offline at your own time, team. Okay. Primary purpose is helps to maintain a time sheet with our activities for the given period. The team, especially when it comes to consulting, freelancing, or remote works, this becomes critical. Now, here is how it will run. I will kind of explain you in a very simple way. It should be easy for you to do, team. Take an input from the user for the name, take an input for the task name. All right. Then let the user click start task or enter 1 for click for start task and moves on to accomplish the task. So primarily think of it like I have my Java program. Out here, I'll create something where I start entering and then I start my task. I minimize this. I go about doing. Then I come back to do a few other things. So once the task is completed, user comes back to click end task or type 2 to complete the task. So what has happened during this task that we did, team? One, capture the time taken for each task. And there can be any number of tasks, teams. We are not putting any restriction right now. Which project, which category, which task, that's fine. You should be able to capture random screenshots or a webcam or video snippets of screen as to what is happening at that time. First, team, in a consulting world, this becomes important. I can always say that I've worked for 1 hour, but let us say that an hour's time I was not even in front of my system for a given while, or I've been doing some other activity rather than my billable work. That becomes a challenge. Finally, we should be able to send something out as an email. And once we're done with, as the next level, create a Java Swing frontend. I'll try and show you Java Swing frontend, team, how it works in one of the sessions, but experiment with it. It's a very easy to work with, team. Just see what it is. Reports generate a weekly, daily, or by task reports. Okay. And how does this data go? Where can we store this? How can we keep a good note of it? That is an important thing. Any questions on this exercise, everyone? So here are the options that I'm saying. We have all that is required for this task is there in this. I will also put it here. This will be plenty of activity for you to start doing at your own end, team. Let me put it into our chat. So work on it independently, team. You don't need to do it as a team exercise. We can work on this independently. And when we meet on Monday and Tuesday, I will try and divide you into a few groups if needed, so you can complete that more. How we can use screenshot in Java? Find out, search for it. But at least if you don't know, you can't do certain things, then at least find a way to get till here first. Can you do these tasks? That is important. Then how about these tasks? Then next, and so on. So go one by one level based on what you are aware. If you have not seen something like, let's say, try catch exception, or how we put write it back and so on, then do a little Google search. Kiranmai, we finished dividing into teams for SDET. That's a different activity altogether. This is especially core Java, totally into programming. Now it is okay to take it up into the team after you're done with the task that is given there. Till you take it back into your groups and work on it, I want you to do it independently. Is that very clear, everyone? You all need to work on this task independently first, without anyone else in the team. Look at how you can do. What is it that you are doing? Then we'll put you into a team. Then see. First attempt at team. This is a great chance to learn, everyone. And I'm coming up with a new schedule for some of the new programs once we're done with a couple of these. So I'll keep you posted. Any question on the assignment? I'm expecting to see some outputs, let us say by Monday or Tuesday. I would want you to work on this team. Okay, if it's good, if it takes good shape, I would like to make a production version out of it as well. I hope you're all doing fine, team, with all the tragedy that's going around us. Yes, this project is different from SDET project. SDET project you're doing with team A, team B, a couple of tasks you're doing. So keep working on that. This independently, use this to sharpen your core Java and programming skills. Okay. If you work on this with the team, they will give you a solution. You won't have much to do there. So you start working on that independently, and then we can have more contributions to it. What is the next week agenda? Okay, see, we are left with very few topics, team. If you see a few more things that come up, like I'm saying, Java Swing, so we'll go through these topics and briefly look into some of this. Can you explain which one to what is expected there means what? SDET project. No, I did that in the morning. Please go watch the video. Or ask your team members, please. Okay, I'll share the video right away. I'll put it in the group. All right, so team, use this to practice a little bit on the coding. If this is going well, and you know, you'll feel very happy about what's happening and so on. Great, everyone. Thank you so much. I don't have anything else. Anything else for me? Let's meet on Monday and we will go through these. I think we will take this as day 13 and 14. I thought I'll finish a lot of it. Can you share the Java code? Sure. So trainings, code Java March. I didn't share any of this code, correct? Yes. So where is this? No, it's not here. 1 second. Java March 2020. I believe all that we did as code is here, team, in project 1, SRC. Okay. So let's just copy this source folder into our Google Drive then. And give you access to this entire thing. Right. Thank you for reminding me, team, about Google Drive. It should be accessible to all. I share the link. Okay, so if we get source folder, all the code that will get in there. It'll take a little bit to upload. And in the morning session, I'll just ping it to you in the chat, SJ. Thanks, everyone. That's it from my side. If anyone misses on the task, please tell them the same thing. It's all mentioned on this. So look at it. Thank you all. Bye for now. Take care then. Good night. Bye.